Now it's time we go in and actually create our Google site. If you prefer to use Wix, Weebly, or WordPress, you're more than welcome to. If you're new to web design or creating a classroom or a professional website, you'll certainly want to stick with Google Sites as it is quite easy. So we need to go to Google Sites by opening a new tab. And you can get here a few different ways. I will type sites.google.com and hit enter. You can also get to Google Sites by clicking the waffle in the top right corner and selecting Sites. So now that I'm here, I'll see all of the sites that I'm either owning or co-owning. For you, you'll just want to click blank. Now what we're doing is launching a blank website that we can start to manipulate. The first thing I'll need to do is title my site. I'll just say website. And then perhaps the title. Neither of those are very creative, but just to get me started, I'll leave it at that. So right away, I want to adjust this banner. I notice I can mess with the type and even change the image. So I can click the banner type and take just title only. Or if I wanted to add an actual, let's say, image, I can do that as well by changing the image. Note though, it will stretch it kind of funny. So you'll want something that's shot in landscape and not up close to a person. So a family picture would probably not look great. But for example, I have a really nice picture overlooking the Mississippi River from afar. That does look real good on a project or a banner like this. For now, I'm just going to make my header type to be title only. I like that clean look. And then I'll come down to the body by just simply clicking in this area. So note that over on the far right here, there are some different layouts I can pick. Usually for the homepage, I like this layout with the picture on one side and the text on the other. So when I click the plus sign, I can upload an image and or connect it from Google Drive. I have plenty of choice in the matter. So I will go ahead and add something from my desktop. We'll grab this. And notice it crops it funny. So the very first thing I'm going to do is uncrop it. There we go. And I would rather have it to be a little bit larger. So I'm going to drag it. If you notice, I'm looking to line it up with the gray up and down lines you might see there. And I'll let go. It snaps, but it snapped funny. So I'll click crop again. And I might have to do it kind of like this. Drag each there. A little bit better. All right, so I noticed though I am missing my alt tag. So if a screen reader had to come through and read this, it would get to the image and not know what to do. As a result, I'll click the three dots, just to recap, three dots, then add alt text. This is a business card with contact information. And I'll click apply. Now, if I wanted to add text, I can double click in an area and I see I have a wheel that appears where I can add embed code, images, upload from my computer, or connect from Drive. The text is in the center. I'll go ahead and click that. Then I can start typing. And I can go forth and keep typing. Notice that it is possible to change, it's not like changing the font size like you would in a Google Doc. You're taking the type of text this is. You'll want to either make it small or a subheading. If you start messing with, say, the title, that would alter the way a screen reader would read it. And it would say that entire paragraph is the title of your site. So I try to be cognizant of that and only take subheading or normal text. So I would write out my paragraph introducing myself here. And I can do some formatting with bold, italics, and center. I can also make words clickable. Notice over on the far side here, there are plenty of buttons for me to click on. I can add video, calendar, map, docs, slides, etc. I encourage you to click on all the buttons and know that if you ever get into trouble or out in the weeds or you feel like you've destroyed your project, you can always click the undo button.